What's up? What's up? Welcome to Boome's channel. January 21st, 2021, and I'm back to you with another video. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to Boome's channel. That would actually do me. It'd be a big favor that I'm asking you. Hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to find out when I come out with more videos when it comes to making money online or getting more traffic, more leads, more sales for your business, or just training content. So without further ado, welcome to Boome's channel. Buddy Boome from Northwest Washington, father of 5, and I've been in this make money niche for about 10 years now. Okay, so what I'm about to share with you guys, stay till the very end. I'm going to show you how you can actually get a bonus for actually taking action with what I'm about to share with you guys today. All right, so you see that I'm in the Google right now, and you guys know what this is. These are memes. You see them all over the place. You see them on your social media, and I know every culture has different memes. There's funny memes. I'm Native American. There's actually a Native meme Facebook page that has hundreds of thousands of people that actually share memes on there, and this gets a lot of engagement on social media. It's an untouched area in the network marketing world. Okay, so without further ado, I have something that is in pre-launch. It actually just launched on January 11th. It's created by David Schwind. It's called Meme Secret, and this is a way that you can actually start getting some commissions, making money by sharing memes. You can make money, get more leads for your business. You can get paid 3 tiers deep. It pays 40% commissions at the first level. The second level, it pays 20%. And for coming in as a founder, you can actually unlock a third tier and get paid 10% with this. This is called Memes Secrets. You can start getting more leads for your business. You can start getting more exposure. And why not get paid for sharing memes on your social media? This is really an untouched area in this industry. And you see there's new memes, hundreds, probably thousands, or not, if not more, memes coming out on a daily basis. And why not get money for sharing these things? Okay, so this is Meme Secrets, and the link is actually going to be in the description. Check out that link in the description, guys, and I'm going to show you what it's actually going to look like it's in pre-launch. You're going to come to a page. It looks like this. It says complicated. Who else is ready to say goodbye to complicated marketing? Share memes, get paid. Okay, this is the capture page. You're going to end up right here. And you can actually check out this 29-minute webinar by David Schwind. It's going to tell you the ins and outs of Meme Secrets. You're going to want to be a part of this, guys. This has just launched. It was actually, I ran across this a number of days ago, and I wasn't sure what to think about it at first, because you just never know with some of these programs that are coming out. And I wish I would have joined a couple of days ago. It was $129 a few days ago. It was set to launch on January 11th, which was yesterday. I decided to join it yesterday. It was a one-time, a yearly $147, and then there's actually a residual, a monthly fee. I believe it's $37 a month, but you can become a founder of this for coming in. And right now it's at $147, and I believe it's actually going to start. It's going to go up. The price is going to go up. It actually has a crossed out $297, and it says $147 annually. So this is going to go up. It went up from $129 to $147 before January 11th. So you're actually going to want to get in on this, because if the price is going to go up, that means that your commission is going to go up. You can come in price is actually going to go up. You can get higher commissions. This pays 3 tiers deep. 40% commissions at the first level, 20% at the second. And you can unlock the third tier by becoming a founder of this program. This is called Memes Secrets. And I've already seen some of these bigwigs, the people that are the bigger names in this industry. I actually have already seen some of these people joining us already. So this is something that you're actually going to want to get your hands on, you guys. Get more leads for your business. You can use it to get more traffic, or you can use this for sharing this business within itself and getting commissions 3 tiers deep with it. Memes Secrets. I don't want to say too much more about it. I don't want to ruin it. Check out that webinar in the description. And do me a favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button. That actually does me some good. Boome's channel, so I can start. It encourages me to come out with more content, and just helps me with my journey when I get more people subscribing to this channel. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My cell phone number is always in the description. Reach out to me. You can text me. I'll get back to you. Or you can reach out to me on Facebook. I believe this is a worldwide opportunity. And there's 2 different payment methods on here. There's Bitcoin and PayPal. And I'm sorry, I'm not messing around with PayPal anymore. So I put my Bitcoin address in there. And with the way Bitcoin's going now, I believe it's 36,000 per Bitcoin. It's time to start getting some Bitcoin, more Bitcoin in my wallet. So at that, guys, Memes Secrets, created by David Schwind. You're going to want to get your hands on this, get more traffic for your business, or you can start getting some of those commissions that pay 3 tiers deep. And do your research. You'll see, you're going to already see some of these bigwigs. They're joining with this. And for joining me today, so I stick out differently from everybody else, I'm actually going to give you a bonus for joining me. Okay, so bonus number 1, you're going to get a free Wi-Fi tablet. That's all you have to do is pay the shipping and handling. There's no strings attached. There's no surprises or anything like that. I'll send the link over after you join me with this. And I'm also going to give you a marketing system. And I'm going to mark you as a paid member. It's going to drop 100 leads into your contact manager, so you can start sharing this opportunity with people. And you can do that by texting those leads or calling them. It has all the training provided in there. And I'm actually going to give you that lead system for free and mark you as a paid member after you become a paid member of Meme Secrets. You're going to get unlimited leads for life. You're going to be able to stick out differently because you're going to actually have leads to reach out to share this with. So those are my 2 bonuses for joining me. And that's just me. That's not a part of these businesses. I'm just doing this to stick out differently from everybody else. So check out that link in the description, guys. Watch that webinar. It's going to be down below under this video in the description. Just click the link and go to that capture page. And it's going to bring you to a video by David Schwind that tells you all about how this works. Start making money by sharing memes. You're going to want to get in on this, guys. So at that, I got to get back into what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm working now, taking a break. But I was really excited about making this video, sharing this with you guys, because this is a way that you can actually start making some money really quickly. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Get rich quick scheme. This is a legit opportunity, and you guys know this is an untouched area. So you want to be the first to get in on this, guys. So at that, I thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. All right. God bless.